How's it going, everyone? This is the Dewalt 20 volt cordless dry hand vacuum, and the code on this is the DCV501HB, and this does not have the battery included, so you do need a Dewalt 20 volt max battery. Let's go ahead and pop this open and see everything that's inside. All right, so lots of parts that are pretty well packaged in there. We'll pull them out here. So there's your little kind of close-up nozzle head right there, and this one is your floor one by the looks of it, so you can go onto the floor and vacuum. This one looks like a nice little short one right there with the brush head on there, so that's handy as well. And this one is a smaller kind of floor one. I would guess you would use this one to for your car, to kind of, that would be really good inside of your car to clean up all the dust and crumbs and stuff on your car floor. And we've got the tube right here as well. And let's go ahead and pop this tube out. We can see that. So this looks like about roughly 3 feet, but then it's extendable, and I could probably extend it up to 6 feet, maybe even longer than that. And then let's have a look at the vacuum itself right here. And we'll pull that apart, and there is our vacuum itself. So we've got that hose on the end right there. We've got the on-off lock switch. We've got a power switch right here, so we can power it on and then lock it down, so we don't have to keep holding the power switch right there. The HEPA filters on the inside of it as well, and that's where your 20 volt max battery goes. We've got a hook right there, so we can hang it up, which is nice. And let's see what else we have. We've got a net right here, which is a bag actually that we can hold all the pieces, so that's handy. And looks like we've got a one of the longer tubes, so we can connect the longer tube onto the end of this, and then we can put our floor piece on the tip of this one right here, which is nice and handy. And that is it. Besides our last one, our instructions, which I'm sure you don't care about. But that is the unboxing of this, not a test, just to show you what's inside.